I'm going to teach you one of the most powerful day trading strategies that I have ever seen. This is a strategy that I trade almost every single day, so pay attention. So in the pre-market, before the market opens, you're going to go to the daily time frame and you're going to be scanning for this specific type of gap. By the way, a gap is an overnight change in price. This is when a stock opens at a different price in which it closed yesterday, and gaps can occur because of earnings or news within the company or macroeconomic data or the president tweeting or for any other reason. And you're going to look for a gap that looks something like this. This was the CVS this morning, and it closed yesterday at around $84. And then this morning, it opened at around $75.50. Notice how it opened below all of these green bars. I mean, there were 5 consecutive green bars on the daily time frame, and then all of a sudden today, it gaps below all of them and opens down here. Think about how these buyers are going to feel when they see that all of a sudden their positions are going from green and in the money to underwater. Well, a lot of those buyers, they may end up cutting their losses because they're seeing the price of the stock continue lower and lower and lower, and that puts pressure on them to sell because they're seeing their position lose more and more money. That gives us day traders an opportunity to take advantage of all of these buyers' fear, urgency, and panic, and we can look for opportunities to go short. And the CVS ended up breaking down on a 15-minute breakdown, entry below the base, stop loss above, and I'm a knucklehead and I didn't take advantage of this because I wasn't really focusing on the CVS because it kind of chopped the first 2 hours of the day and I just didn't really keep an eye on it. But nevertheless, this is an amazing example of a shock value gap that led to a really nice sell-off. Make sure you follow for more trading education.